everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can create this very easy way to attach beads into your macrame artwork using square knots. Let's get started. To begin, I just attached 2 cords to my dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now tie 1 square knot. Now we're going to attach a bead to the far left cord and the far right cord. Now we're just going to tie another square knot as before. Attach your beads as you did before. Now tie another square knot. Now we just keep repeating the same steps over and over again until we have reached the desired length. And there we go. This is a really easy way that you can add beads into your macrame artwork using square knots. This pattern will look amazing in plant hangers, as keychains, bracelets, or anything else you can think of. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.